Welcome back to our IoT series. In this module, journey into the smart home revolution, where everyday living meets advanced technology. We will exploring how the Internet of Things, or IoT, is transforming houses into connected, intelligent spaces that respond to our needs in real time. This is more than just convenience, it's about creating homes that enhance comfort, security, and efficiency. What exactly is a smart home? Imagine a home that not only keeps you comfortable and secure, but also saves energy and simplifies daily tasks. This is achieved through internet-connected devices that manage everything from your lighting and heating to your entertainment systems. One of the core elements of a smart home is the IoT devices like smart thermostats that learn your temperature preferences, smart lights that adjust based on the time of day, and smart locks that provide keyless entry. But it doesn't stop there. Even more complex systems like home assistants can control these devices through simple voice commands. I hope we are together. Connectivity is key. These devices communicate through a home network, often with a central hub or directly through a smartphone app. This network is not just about control, it also gathers data from sensors that monitor everything from motion to environmental changes, ensuring that your home adapts to your life seamlessly. The applications are vast. In energy management, smart systems reduce costs and conserve energy by learning your habits and optimizing heating and cooling schedules. In security and monitoring, cameras and sensors provide real-time alerts and footage, offering peace of mind whether you're home or away. Entertainment and comfort have also transformed. Smart entertainment systems not only play your favorite music and shows with a voice command, but also integrate with other home systems to create the perfect environment for relaxation or entertainment. Integration and interoperability are facilitated by platforms like Samsung SmartThings and Apple HomeKit, which allow diverse devices to work together smoothly. However, the challenge remains in standardizing these technologies to ensure they can communicate effectively across different manufacturers. Looking ahead, the future of smart homes includes AI and machine learning, which will predict and adapt to your preferences automatically, offering even greater personalization and energy efficiency. We're also seeing a push towards sustainability, with homes using technology to significantly reduce their environmental impact. Smart homes stand at the forefront of the IoT revolution, transforming our living spaces into environments that understand and cater to our needs. I hope this lesson has given you a glimpse into this dynamic integration of technology and home life. That's all about IoT in smart homes. Now, let us move forward by exploring the revolutionary impact of the Internet of Things, or IoT, in healthcare. IoT in healthcare involves a network of connected devices that gather, transmit, and analyze data, assisting healthcare professionals and patients in making informed decisions. These technologies lead to enhanced patient monitoring, improved treatment outcomes, increased efficiency, and significant cost reductions. Now, one of the most critical applications of IoT in healthcare is remote patient monitoring, or RPM. Devices such as heart rate monitors and glucose monitors send patient data directly to healthcare providers in real time. This continuous monitoring allows for immediate response to patient needs without requiring constant hospital visits. IoT also empowers patients to take an active role in managing their health through devices that help track their medical conditions and medication intake. From fitness trackers to sophisticated disease management tools, IoT is at the forefront of personal healthcare management. Even within hospital settings, IoT is transforming care delivery. Smart beds that adjust automatically to ensure patient comfort, connected devices that monitor health metrics continuously, and automated systems for precise medication administration are just a few examples of how IoT enhances care and optimizes operations. I must add, the medical supply chain is smarter with IoT. From tracking inventory levels to ensuring the safe storage of pharmaceuticals, IoT systems help maintain critical supplies, reducing waste and preventing shortages. However, managing the vast amounts of data generated by these devices, ensuring its security, and maintaining patient privacy are formidable challenges. Robust security protocols and compliance with regulations like HIPAA are paramount to protect sensitive health data. Advanced analytics play a crucial role in interpreting the data collected. These insights help predict health trends, understand disease patterns, and ultimately, provide personalized patient care that can dramatically improve outcomes. As we look to the future, The integration of IoT in healthcare promises even more personalized, efficient, and cost-effective care solutions. Yet, the path forward involves navigating challenges like device interoperability, regulatory compliance, and ethical considerations regarding patient data. The potential of IoT in healthcare is immense, promising not only to enhance patient care, but also to transform how healthcare systems operate globally. As technology advances, so too does our ability to care for patients in more effective and innovative ways. I hope we're good on the healthcare. Let us move on to IoT in manufacturing and industrial settings, where we uncover how connectivity and intelligence are reshaping industries. IoT integrates sophisticated machinery with networked sensors and advanced software. Its core mission: to optimize operational efficiency, predict maintenance needs before they arise, and automate processes, all through real-time data analytics. At the heart of IoT are its components, sensors, and machines, interconnected by robust network connectivity, driven by sophisticated analytics software. These elements work together to create systems that are not only smart, but also proactive in maintenance and efficient in operation. Consider predictive maintenance, a key application of IoT. Sensors continuously monitor equipment conditions, predicting failures before they happen. This capability not only reduces downtime, but also extends the life of equipment, a vital advantage in industrial operations. I hope we are still following. In smart manufacturing, IoT takes center stage by automating production lines and precisely controlling manufacturing processes. This integration leads to substantial improvements in efficiency and a significant reduction in operational costs. IoT also transforms supply chain management. By providing real-time tracking data on materials, it ensures efficient management, reduces waste, and improves delivery times, making the entire supply chain more transparent and responsive. Energy management is another critical area where IoT shines. By monitoring and controlling the energy usage of machines in real time, industries can achieve significant reductions in energy consumption, leading to lower costs and less environmental impact. Enabling all these functionalities are cutting-edge technologies like cloud and edge computing. Cloud computing provides vast data storage and advanced analytics capabilities, while edge computing processes data locally, reducing latency and bandwidth usage. Moreover, AI and machine learning play pivotal roles, making sense of the vast amounts of data collected, enabling complex decision-making without human intervention. However, integrating IoT is not without its challenges. Data security and privacy are paramount, given the sensitive nature of industrial data. Ensuring interoperability among diverse devices and scaling solutions as operations grow are also critical considerations that require robust strategies and solutions. The industrial Internet of Things is transforming traditional industrial processes into intelligent operations that significantly enhance productivity and efficiency. This module has provided a comprehensive overview of IoT's impact and the technologies driving this revolution. Join us next time as we continue to explore the exciting applications of IoT across different fields. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our platform. And if you have any question, kindly channel them to the comment section.